Російської Федерації проти нашої держави.
The evening assembly of the Ukrainian General Staff reports that some units of Russian soldiers are being withdrawn to Crimea. Rumors are spreading among the occupiers about a quick end to hostilities with territorial concessions in favor of the Russian Federation, probably to raise the spirits of the invaders. Some units that were previously located in the occupied Skadovsk, in the Kherson region, are gradually being withdrawn from the city to Crimea. This is another hint about the upcoming Ukrainian offensive. And Jens Stoltenberg, General Secretary of NATO, expressed confidence that Ukraine is ready to win back more territory amid preparations for an expected counteroffensive against Russian forces. I am sure that now they will be able to free up even more land, Stoltenberg told reporters on the sidelines of a meeting at the Ramstein air base in Germany. According to him, one of the main issues during the meeting was the list of all the different opportunities, systems, supplies that Ukrainians need in order to be able to win back more land. The NATO official noted that Germany and the United States have delivered several Patriot air defense batteries, which, according to him, are already working in Ukraine. He declined to provide other details or the exact number of Patriot systems delivered. Stoltenberg added that now the alliance is focused on ensuring the victory of Ukraine and then making sure Kiev has deterrent powers to prevent attacks after the end of the war. Stoltenberg hinted that some new types of weapons may be discussed at the new Ramstein-style meeting, but maintaining the combat capability of the systems already available in Ukraine remains an important task. Russian news report about the bomb dropped on their own Belgorod. Watch to the end.
Как только специалисты закончили осмотр места происшествия, дорожные службы сразу же начали убирать обломки с проезжей части проспекта Ватутина и эвакуировать поврежденные от взрыва машины. Современная боевая техника позволяет российским подразделениям ликвидировать экстремистов в зоне СВО с минимального расстояния.
Even though Russia attacked Ukraine due to its own imperialistic ambitions, Russian officials still claim that they are the ones being attacked.
Все знают, все понимают, что американцы объявили крестовый поход против Российской Федерации, против ее законных интересов, против русской культуры, русских традиций, избрав в качестве наконечника такого боевого киевский нацистский режим и накачивая его все новыми и новыми системами вооружений.
In Bakhmut, night safari of the artillery of the 77th Separate Air Mobile Brigade on the Russians preparing for another assault. A bus is burning in Novosibirsk, Russia. Just another hint for Ukrainian offensive. Also in Bakhmut, battles for the road to Kromovo, the works of Ukrainian Rapid Response Brigade. Prigozhin talks a lot, and talked a lot again today. To be precise, responding to the questions about the Ramstein 11 summit and how worrying its results are for Russia. Prigozhin does not appear to be delusional and says there are no good news for Russia in the decisions made today. He also says the Ukrainian offensive won't start until 10 days from now due to Rasputitsa. In Zaporozhye, 2 Russian BMD in turn successfully worked out targets at the polygon of one of the Ukrainian units. R.I.P. hero. Uttermost respect in Ukraine. All of the cars stop and pull over on the oncoming side of the road. Such huge respect for the fallen in this country. On the way to Kiev.
Just thought I'd do a little quick video clip. You know, all of the other cars on the other side, they all pull over, every single one of them, and you don't get one single lunatic overtaking either. It's quite pleasant actually to drive. But yeah. It's amazing how much respect they have in Ukraine for the soldiers' funeral possessions. Not sure it would be the same in some of the other countries, particularly in the United Kingdom. Anyway, bit of a somber video update, but there you go. I'm on my way to Kiev to deliver some aid.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.